Hello and welcome back to Best Bet Trades. It's your boy Gundy. Today we're going to go over ticker symbol PROG, Prog, Progenity, CEI, SNDL. Let's get right into it, fellas. So, with that being said, guys, if you guys want these indicators, like, join, subscribe. The link for the Discord is below. It is absolutely free. These indicators help you see through the volatility of the market. It's helped so many people, including myself, make money consistently, daily. So, with that being said, let's jump right into it. PROG, Progenity, got the buy signal on the 1 hour today. As you can see right here, this green line is one of our indicators. It's the previous day high and low, which is the red and the green. As you can see right here, it's making the previous day high as support. It's on there as support. If you look at the MACD and RSI, look, it's trending upwards. It is trending upwards. I actually called Progenity out a couple days ago and said that this is the bottom to buy calls for a few months out. I did that as well. A few other people did that as well, and we're looking great right now. So, to me, there's more upside potential. If you look on the 4-hour chart, look at the MACD and RSI. This thing looks like it's ready to skyrocket. Look at this. Well, she's right down here curling over. To me, there's so much. As you can see, there's some huge support right around $1.15. So the next huge support level is $1.08. So we're trending in the right way. If we go to the daily, look at the daily, there's a huge gap at $1.62. In my mind, that's where this is going. $1.62 around, $1.62. That's where I'll be looking to take my profit. If it looks bearish, if it looks bullish, I'm just going to hold it. As you can see, these are one of our new indicators. It shows you all the resistance lines and the support lines. Great tool to have in your toolbox. It really does help see through the volatility of the market. Obviously, the candles are different, the buy and sell signals, previous day high and low. All this stuff goes hand in hand to make a great strategy and help you win. It really does. As you can see, it was coming down. It was white. It was in the oversold, and it bounced up. And right here, look, you guys could see that that's a huge resistance. It used it. If you guys would have seen that, it helps you from buying from the top. So entry is always important. It came back down, spiked back up. To me, if it can make this $2.08 support, she's gonna rock it. If not, I'm just looking for a small swing trade up to around the gap fill level at $1.63. I really do see this reaching $2 in my mind. I'm long on it. Like I said in the Discord, I said buy calls for 3 months out. There's gaps up above. This was the bottom. This is the bottom. As you can see, it hit here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then consolidated. That's how I knew this was the bottom. It really is that simple to help with these indicators. They really do go a long way. So we're building a community to help people grow, win consistently. Like, subscribe, join the Discord, man. We'd love to have you. All right, let's go to CEI. CEI, she's just consolidating. She's consolidating. As you can see, she's using this as support around the 80 cents, 81 cent mark. She's just got upside potential. If she breaks that 81 cent mark, then I'm looking for the downside. But as you can see, it's trending downward on the MACD and the SI, but you can see it's starting to light up, so it's starting to get weaker. I do think that this might come down to around 78 cents. There's a huge support at 56 cents. It's right in the middle of the channel, and there's huge resistance at $1.48. There's also a gap to fill at $1.07, and there's also another gap to fill up above at $1.24. This thing has upside potential in time. So with that being said, I would swing trade these. Get contracts a couple months out. They are so cheap. They are so cheap. The risk to reward ratio is worth it. If you put in $100 and buy X amount of contracts, but then you lose, it's only $100. But this thing does have potential to rip up to around $3 again, in my mind. She just needs that right little boost. She's been consolidating for days in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like over a week in this area. She is going to bounce, in my mind. If you go to the 4-hour chart, see the 4-hour chart, she's just been consolidating. There's really not much going on. It's just a slow mover. So these are one of those stocks that I'm interested in, but I don't watch it that much. I buy my swing and then I just let it sit and wait, because it's going to take some time to develop. But once some news comes out, all that good stuff, she will skyrocket. So, I mean, for CEI, I think there's more upsides than downside potential. If she does go down, the next level to buy calls at is 54 cents. 54 cents, excuse me. So, let's go to SNDL. I do have SNDL calls. Honestly, she's probably going to come down a little bit before she goes back up on SNDL. I do have calls. Every time I buy into SNDL, I always take a loss, but it's just one of them stocks, that just slowly move. She's very beaten down. She's only 67 cents. Like I said, the options on this as well is crazy cheap. There's this huge support level at 62 cents, and then there's a gap to fill at 58 cents. This might come down and fill the gap and then reverse. And it's looking like that on the MACD and RSI. Guys, the MACD and RSI over here, I put them together. You put them separate and have their own little panels. You could put them together, and this makes this chart right here. That's the way I use it. As you can see, it used the 62 cents as support. Right here, you look at that wick. So she's going to bounce. She's using that as support. Let's look at the 4-hour. Look, she's starting to curl up and lose strength on the MACD and RSI. As you can see, guys, look, the price was coming down. It's cooling off, but the price is just staying the same. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. So you want to see these charts cooling off. As you can see, it's cooling off, coming down on the MACD and RSI. But the price is just consolidating. That is a great sign. That is a great sign. So once this actually cools, the price, if the price stays the same and it keeps cooling off, eventually it's gonna bounce. I think in the long term, within the next year or so, SNDL will be a great company. You guys are looking at the price right now. In a year or two, you guys might look at this stock at $20 and be like, man, why did I not buy in? As you can see, there's also huge support right here at the 44 cents level. She's beaten down. It's been beaten down so bad. It's been beaten down so bad. So, I mean, worst come to worst, I think it's going to come down to the gap fill level and then reset. It obviously was overbought. You can see the white candles. Our indicators show you that is a trend reversal right there most of the time when you see the white candles. Now, it can also run overbought or oversold for a long period of time. That does not mean anything. But that indicator actually at least gives you a little knowledge saying, hey, keep an eye out for the reversal. So back to Prog real quick. And when we go into Prog, if you look on the daily, you can see it's just bullish. Let's go to Muln, MULN. MULN on the daily. Guys, look at all the support right here at 58 cents. Came up, huge resistance right here at $4.59 and started bouncing off. This one, there's a gap to fill at $1.29 and there's huge support at $2.17. So look at the 4-hour real quick. Let's go over the 4-hour. It's using the previous day low, that red line right here, as support. As you see, the MACD and RSI is cooling off and it's trending upwards. Look at the yellow line. Guys, the yellow line on the MACD and RSI together, look, when it's whichever way that yellow line is going, mostly that's the way that the stock is moving. Look, it's moving up, it's pointing up. Let's see on the daily. It's pointed up still. Even though it's above 50, well, that's what you want to see. Let's go to the 1 hour real quick. Okay, so this is great. As you can see, guys, it jumped up in pre-market, came back down, left a gap right here, came back down, boom, filled the gap. Now it's consolidating. This might go up, but as you can see, it's kind of iffy right here with on the MACD and the RSI. Guys, like, join, subscribe. If you guys want access to the indicators, they are absolutely free. We help people make money daily, including ourselves, me and the co-founder. So let's get on it, man. Guys, join the Discord. Let's build this community up. It's absolutely free. You have nothing to lose. Take a chance on us. Take a chance on yourself, and you might surprise yourself. All right, guys. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the morning.